Hi! In front of me is TCL 10SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change your keyboard's theme. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose System. Then Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and keyboard that you're using, in my case Gboard. Go into Theme and tap Show More to see all available options. Now you can pick a color and apply it, or download one of the images and apply it as well. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!